Hey guys, Scott here with Scott and Crystal's Random Life. Anybody that knows me knows that I absolutely love cast iron. We use it all the time when we go camping. One of the main questions I get is, it's really hard to clean. How do I do it the correct way? You know, you don't want to take steel wool to it or anything like that. It's going to really be too abrasive, and that's a worst case scenario. I'm going to show you the easy way to do it today. Just hang out with me for a few minutes. We'll let another car go by. Just hang out with me for a little bit and we'll get started. All right, what we got here is a pan that has not been cleaned properly. It's totally my fault. I didn't clean it well enough last time we went camping. I let it sit around for a little bit. Now it's just kind of gunky and it's got some buildup on it. And you can see yeah, that's nasty. Okay, we're going to clean that up. All right, so a few things that you're going to need whenever you go to clean your cast iron. We need a good scraper, some oil to go back in it, some kosher salt, some lint-free rags. The microfiber works just fine. You're going to need to heat your cast iron back up, and you're going to need your dirty cast iron. First thing you want to do is you want to try to scrape out anything that's left over. Just get the big stuff up off of it. Alright, so we need to get our cast iron hot again. Just going to throw it right there and let it do its thing. You know it's going to get hot whenever, or you know it's good and hot whenever you touch the sides and that heat starts radiating up the sides and over into the handle. Once that handle starts getting a little warm, you're good to go. I don't know if y'all can see this on the video or not, but it's actually smoking pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and kill that heat. Like so. I'm going to take our scraper, see if we can get any more of this worked out. Yeah, not a whole lot of it's coming up. Just a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that. So now we're going to take and we're going to put a little bit of kosher salt right in. Dab of water. Yeah, I'd say that's hot. Now you want to take one of your microfiber cloths, just start working it around. And yes, if you're wondering, it is hot. Now it's important that whenever you use these microfiber cloths, you notice I didn't put it in there until after I had already added the water. Just going to work it around a little bit more. Once that's done, go ahead and wash it out with a lot of water. Get the rest of that salt off and dump her out. Alright, now that you've got it cleaned and washed out, you still got a little bit of water in there. So the easiest way to get rid of that is to heat it back up. Alright, well it's about time to add our oil and re-season it. You can always use the Lodge seasoning spray. This stuff works great. 100% canola oil with no additives or preservatives. It says it right there. It's great for starting out. Also use flaxseed oil. I haven't got any of that on hand, or that's what I'd be using. But I do have extra virgin olive oil. Works just as well also. Matter of fact, I'd probably want to use this the first couple of times I ever season new cast iron, and then probably switch just extra virgin olive oil. It's a little bit cheaper. So once you get it back up to temp, there's no water residue left over, and it's the pan's hot itself. all the way up into the handle. Put just a little bit of your oil in there. And then using your lint-free cotton rag, just work it around in there, like so. Hit all the sides. Pop down the handle. Take what little bit's left over on your rag, just wipe down the back. Wipe down the sides. Turn your heat back on. And let it get back up to smoking temp, and then you're done. Let that truck go down the road. Hey guys, Scott here with Scott and Crystal's Random Life. Anybody that knows me knows that I have a love for good cast iron. And another car. All right. It's and there's another car. Okay. And another car's coming by. Hey guys, Scott here with Scott and Crystal's Random Life. Anybody that knows me knows that I love cast iron, and that's a motorcycle. You know, everybody, we use it around the house on the glass top. You know, you're not supposed to use it on glass top. Well, you know, I mean, you're not Bobby Flay. Don't be shaking that thing around. Hey guys, Scott here with Scott and Crystal's Random Life. Today I kind of want to go over cast iron. Anybody that knows me knows that I absolutely love to use cast iron. Hasn't always been the case. Hey guys, Scott here with Scott and Crystal's Random Life. Hey guys, Scott here with Scott and Crystal's Random Life. I believe we go camping. We use it all the time. Hey guys, Scott here with Scott and Crystal's Random Life. Anybody that knows me knows that I love cast iron. I love to use cast iron. We use it all the time, especially when we go camping. Use it quite a bit here at the house to cook stuff like bacon. I want to go over how to clean it, how to maintain it. That's usually what the main questions I get about it are. Oh my God, I'm choking on bacon. Anybody that knows me knows that we